Google just released something that changes what it means to actually remember what you've learned. It's called NotebookLM, and when you stack it with one free storage tool, you can ask questions across every article, video, report, or conversation you've saved in the last 6 months and get a real answer in about 10 seconds. That capability used to live inside platforms charging you monthly before you'd built anything worth organizing. Here's what matters. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you the one storage decision that makes this permanent instead of something you lose when your trial expires. You're going to want to stick around for that. I'm Paul James. I test AI tools solo operators can actually use to make money without adding to the monthly bill. If what I just said sounds useful, you're in the right place. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Most knowledge management platforms charge you $10 to $15 a month to store your notes in their system. Notion charges $10, Rome Research charges $15, and that monthly cost exists before you've made a single dollar from anything you're building inside them. The problem isn't the price. The problem is what happens when you stop paying. Your notes disappear or get locked behind an export wall. You're renting access to your own research. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A $15 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That's exactly why tools like NotebookLM and Obsidian matter. They give you the same capability without the subscription dependency. Here's what I call the Recursive Knowledge Stack. It's two free tools running together. NotebookLM handles the thinking. Obsidian handles the storage. Neither one charges you. And when you feed your stored notes back into NotebookLM as a source, the AI can reason across everything you've ever written. That feedback loop is what makes this actually work long term. Let me walk you through how this builds. NotebookLM is Google's free AI research tool. You upload sources, PDFs, Google Docs, YouTube videos, websites, audio files, and then you ask strategic questions across all of them at once. The free tier gives you 50 sources per notebook and 50 daily chats. That's more than enough for most solo operator workflows. Here's what changes when you use this instead of manually cross-referencing. You upload 6 competitor websites into one notebook. Then you ask it something like, what's the one thing all 6 of these sites avoid mentioning that a beginner would need to know? Or which one of these actually explains the technical setup and which ones just sell the dream? NotebookLM answers by pulling from all 6 sources simultaneously. Most platforms make you toggle between tabs and try to remember what each one said. This tool gives you the synthesis in 10 seconds. The real power shows up when you apply this to client deliverables. Say you're building social media content for a local gym. You upload their last 30 Instagram posts, 3 competitor gym accounts, and their website copy into one notebook. Then you ask NotebookLM what themes their competitors hit that they're missing, or what tone performs best in their market segment. The tool cross-references everything and gives you angles you wouldn't catch scanning posts one by one. That analysis becomes a content strategy document you can charge for. Most social media management platforms charge you monthly just to schedule posts. You're using a free tool to deliver the strategic layer they can't automate. Now, and this is where it gets real for someone running custom knowledge-based builds. Picture a solo operator offering internal AI assistance to local businesses. A dentist wants their front desk team trained on how to handle insurance questions without calling the owner every time. You upload the practice's insurance policy documents, their FAQ sheet, and 3 recorded training calls into NotebookLM. Then you ask it to identify the 5 questions the staff asks most often and what the correct answer is for each one based on those sources. That analysis used to take a full afternoon of manual review. With this stack, it takes 20 minutes, and the tool costs nothing to run. That's a $600 deliverable built on free infrastructure. Let's keep building. The weakness shows up when you need this research again 3 months later. NotebookLM is not designed for permanent storage. It's designed for active projects. Once you finish, you'd have to remember which notebook held which insights. That breaks down fast when you're working across multiple clients or research tracks. That's where Obsidian comes in. It's a free note-taking app that stores everything as plain text files on your computer. No cloud lock-in, no proprietary format. You own the files. If Obsidian disappears tomorrow, your notes still exist as readable text documents. The power move inside Obsidian is the double bracket linking system. When you create a new note, you link it to every related note you've already written. Those links go both ways automatically. Over time, Obsidian builds a visual map of how your knowledge connects. You can see which ideas relate to which projects without remembering where you stored them. Here's the workflow. You ask NotebookLM strategic questions. It gives you insights. Then you translate those insights into your own words and create notes in Obsidian with titles based on what you learned, not what the source was called. Link each new note to anything related. That's it. Most people take what I just showed you and try to use it without organizing the storage first. That's where it falls apart. There's a structure you need to set up once, or this turns into a pile of notes you never look at again. I'm walking you through that right now. Inside Obsidian, create 4 folders. One called Projects for anything with a deadline, one called Areas for ongoing work without a deadline, one called Resources for topics you're interested in but not actively using, one called Archives for completed work. Every note you create sits in one of these 4 folders based on what it's for right now. When that changes, you move the note to a different folder. The note itself never gets deleted. It just shifts categories as your focus shifts. That structure prevents the pileup problem. You're not searching through 200 notes, wondering which ones still matter. You look in Projects. If it's not there, it's not urgent. If you want background context, you check Resources. If you need something you finished 6 months ago, it's in Archives. Here's where most people miss the automation angle. Inside each folder, you can create template notes. Say you're running SEO audits for local businesses. You create one template note with your standard audit checklist, technical issues, keyword gaps, citation analysis, content recommendations. Every time you start a new audit, you duplicate that template instead of building the structure from scratch. The client-specific insights you pull from NotebookLM get pasted into a pre-formatted document. You're delivering consistent work faster because the framework is already built. That's the difference between charging $200 for one-off research and charging $800 for repeatable audit packages. Here's where the stack closes the loop. Export your Obsidian notes as markdown files. Upload them back into NotebookLM as sources. Now the AI can analyze your accumulated knowledge and spot patterns you missed when you were writing each note individually. You're asking questions across your own research history the same way you asked questions across competitor websites earlier. And listen, if you haven't already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Let me show you what this looks like when someone's actually selling a service with it. A freelancer offering content strategy to real estate agents. She uploads 10 blog posts from competing agents into NotebookLM, asks it what topics get covered most often and what gaps exist that nobody's addressing yet. Gets the answer in 30 seconds. Then she creates a note in Obsidian titled Real Estate Content Gaps January 2025 and links it to her existing notes on SEO, keyword research, and Google Maps content strategy. 3 weeks later, a new client asks for blog topics. She searches real estate in Obsidian. The gap analysis note surfaces immediately. She's got a content plan ready in 5 minutes instead of starting from scratch. That speed is what lets her charge a retainer instead of hourly rates. The research compounds. Most freelancers start over every time. Now here's the piece that turns this into actual recurring income. Say you're running lead generation campaigns for local contractors. Every campaign you build generates insights, which headlines pulled the best response rate, which audience segments converted fastest, what objections showed up most in replies. If you're storing those insights in a paid platform, you're dependent on keeping that subscription active to reference them later. With Obsidian, you create a note after every campaign titled by the client industry and the result. HVAC lead, Gen February 2025, 83% response rate. Link it to your existing notes on ad copy and audience targeting. 6 months later, a new HVAC client signs up. You search HVAC in Obsidian. 4 past campaign notes surface with the exact strategies that worked. You upload those notes into NotebookLM along with the new client's service area data. Ask the AI how to adapt what worked before to this new market. You're building a custom strategy in under an hour using proven tactics instead of guessing. That's a $1,200 setup fee most solo operators can't justify because they don't have the historical data to back it up. You do because you stored it in a system you own. Here's the storage decision I promised you at the start. Obsidian saves everything locally on your machine by default. That's good for ownership. It's bad if your laptop dies or you switch computers. The fix is syncing those local files to a cloud folder you already own. Google Drive, Dropbox, iCloud, whichever one you've got. Point Obsidian's vault location to that synced folder. Now your notes live on your computer and in the cloud simultaneously. No paid sync service, no proprietary backup system, just your files in 2 places. Set that up once and you never lose access. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you've got this running. A client asks about something adjacent to a project you finished 2 months ago. You search one keyword in Obsidian. 3 linked notes surface with everything you researched back then. You pull insights from those notes, upload them into NotebookLM with the client's new brief, and ask the AI to connect them. You're delivering strategy that references their specific situation plus context you'd forgotten you even had. That's not possible when your notes live in a platform you stopped paying for. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.